Hello all. This is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House over at the Qualicum Trading Post. Having my 420. So happy 420. Excuse the traffic. Again, Loner 420 from Loner 420 House at the Qualicum Trading Post. Go online, check them out. Beautiful carvings inside. Beautiful eagle carving right here. Here in Vancouver Island, the Qualicum Trading Post. And, alright, teepee right here. Of course, we got a Christian, the teepee. Loner 420. In my teepee. I wish. What's up? Alright. Again, happy 420 all from Loner 420 House. Signing out.